Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Wolfang 4K digital camera with autofocus. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, battery, polymer, 750 mAh, 3.7 volts. With a storage bag, I like that. The cable to charge the battery, transfer some data, type A to type C, and this strap. On a black and white design around. And at the front we have the 4K 56 megapixel lens with 16 times digital zoom and flash. At the back we have the display, the zoom down and zoom up button, mode button, flash up button, the album down button, timer right button, and the set at the middle. The speaker, Type-C port, the strap hole, you can install the strap here. Here it is the microphone, the power button, shutter and focus button. And at the bottom, here you can connect a tripod. And of course, there is the battery compartment. Press, pull and remove. And of course we have the micro SD slot. Pre-installed 32 GB. And install here the battery. Lightweight pocket-sized camera, weighs only 100 grams. Press the button, turn on. We can choose the language. Set the year, month, day, hour, press and hold, it will go faster, minute, and second, okay, frequency, 60 or 50 Hz, 60, format, yes, accessories upgrade is available when necessary, okay, and it is alive. Now let's give a full charge the camera. You need a 5V 2 amp from a power bank, power adapter, PC, laptop. Now let's remove the cable. I think it is enough for charging. Let's move on at the settings. Here you can choose auto, night, portrait, landscape, backlight, sport. You have many options. Resolution, the highest, normal, effect, exposure, white balance, auto, daylight, cloudy, ISO, sharpness, anti-shake, face detect, smile capture, beauty face, shooting signal all continuous, timer, date stamp, quality, setup, and again back. You can here enable auto flash on or off. The timer 2, 5 or 10 seconds off, and again here the effect. You can zoom and zoom. Take a photo. With the mode button you can go add video, and again here pressing the set button, now we can choose the movie size, the resolution. Record, and you can zoom and zoom. Set button, you can pause record, resume and stop with this button. Mode button, you can check all the files, videos or photos. Video, play. Two times, 4 times, back again, play again, back 2 times, only. You can mute the speaker, increase the volume, maximum, and stop. Set button, delete this video, all, cancel, lock the video. You have many options, lock it, unlock all. With the mode button, live again, and we can see here some informations, and here what is the settings, the date and the hour. Now let's move on outdoors and take some videos and photos. If you are looking for the perfect first camera to spark creativity in young photographers, this future packet gadget hits all the right notes. The camera strikes the perfect balance between real photography, fundamentals and kid-proof design. While image quality won't match adults' camera, it teaches composition and creativity better than tablets. More than just a toy, this teaches photography basics, responsibility for tech, creative self-expression. And that concludes our review of the Wolfang 4K Kids digital camera. With its 56 megapixel photo resolution, 16 times digital zoom and easy to use autofocus, it's a fantastic entry point for young photographers and bloggers. The built-in flash and video pause function add creative flexibility, while the included 32GB memory card and accessories get you ready to go. Whether it's capturing school events or backyard adventures, this camera is designed to make photography fun and accessible for kids. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Have you tried? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. If you're interested in picking up this digital camera, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.